Good morning, listeners. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to kickstart your day with the latest pulse from Wall Street. So let's get right into it, shall we? Now, yesterday, the markets showed us a bit of their bounce-back spirit. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed a hefty 0.8%, adding more than 300 points to its tally, while the Standard & Poor's 500 enjoyed a 0.6% rise, flirting with the 5,000 mark once again. And let's not forget the tech-driven Nasdaq Composite, which managed to eke out a 0.3% gain. It's been a bit of a roller coaster week for stocks, especially after Tuesday's hiccup, where a hotter-than-anticipated inflation report sent investors into a bit of a tizzy. But, it's like they say, what goes down must come up. Well, at least in the markets sometimes. Federal Reserve policymakers came to the rescue, soothing the nerves with their take on the inflation data. However, the plot thickens as we turn our gaze to the latest retail sales figures. Thursday brought us a bit of a head-scratcher with January's retail sales dropping 0.8% from the previous month. Now that's got some folks wondering about the consumer's role in all this. Is this a sign of caution from our everyday shoppers, or just a minor blip in the grand scheme? Experts are chiming in, suggesting that while the tumble might raise eyebrows, it's not quite time to sound the alarm bells. There's a lot of talk about a soft landing for the U.S. economy, but with data like this, the narrative might be shifting towards a no-landing scenario. So, what's the takeaway for us, the market watchers and participants? It seems resilience is the word of the week. Despite the ups and downs, there's a sense of underlying strength in the markets. But as always, it's a game of patience and perspective. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. I'll catch you tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Cheerio.